How long will an open bottle of wine stay fresh? Here are the basics. Air is the enemy of wine, and oxygen will spoil wine through a series of reactions. After the bottle is open for 2 days, the wine will show signs of sourness and reduce flavor. By placing your fruit wine or white wine in a refrigerator, you'll slow these reactions. Or what you could try is this vacuum pump that'll remove the air from the inside of the bottle. Another thing is carbon dioxide in a can that will displace the air as you put it in. And red wines have more antioxidants and more structure than white wines, so they'll last a little longer. And remember, never leave your wine in the heat or the sun. I'm Paul Santoriello, winemaker at Door Peninsula Winery. To find out more, come into our tasting room in Door County or visit us online at dcwine.com.
Door Peninsula Winery in Door County.